Setting the expiration time for audio messages on your iPhone. 15 helps manage storage space and maintain privacy by automatically removing audio messages after a set period or keeping them indefinitely. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. While in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Messages. Next, scroll down to find the Audio Messages section. Then, tap on Expire to proceed. You'll see two options, namely, after 2 minutes and never. If you select after 2 minutes, audio messages will be automatically removed from your conversation history 2 minutes after being sent or listened to. If you select never, audio messages will remain in your conversation history indefinitely. Just make your selection by tapping on your preferred option. Changes to this setting are automatically applied. This feature allows you to balance convenience and privacy when it comes to your audio messages. Once you're done altering this setting, you can navigate back to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. And that's all there is to this guide. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.